Stop settling for boring, static websites. Let's make this Porsche drift in. Step 1. The setup. You need 2 frames. Start and end. On the start frame, move the car completely off-screen to the right. Next, make the car image hidden. Then, grab the text and stats, and set opacity to 0. Step 2. The logic. Connect the frames in prototype mode. Set trigger to after delay of 1 millisecond. This makes it autoplay. Set animation to Smart Animate, ease out, and make it slow. 1200 milliseconds. Now hit play. The car slides in, and the text floats up. Pure luxury. The result.